Okay, so up now is writing equations of lines. So now they're going to give us the line and we have to write the equation. And notice that it says it has to be fully simplified slope-intercept form. So meaning make sure your fraction for your slope is simplified. So if we once again look, we need y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to look for the y-intercept first, which is where it crosses the y-axis, which is at 8. So our b is equal to 8. And then the second thing I need to do is check the slope. So if I go from 8, you'll notice they already have dots there. I have to go down 1, so down 1, negative 1, right 1, positive 1. So in this case, from my red, my slope is negative 1 over 1, and that's what I need to simplify. So negative 1 divided by 1 is negative 1. So I can write y equals negative 1x, b is 8, so plus 8. Now I can take the negative 1 and turn it into negative x plus 8. So now I have my equation. We go down to type my equation in. Y equals negative x plus 8. And submit my answer. Okay, so next problem, I'll do one more of these. Same thing, and we do need fully simplified slope-intercept form. So we are going to start with y equals mx plus b. I'll look for b first. B is where it crosses the y-axis. Interestingly, that's 8 again. So b is equal to 8. And then I can find my slope. So I'm going to go from one dot to the next dot, which makes me go up 1, positive 1, right 2. So in this case, my slope is 1 over 2. Don't forget, it's always the up and down number on top and the left right number on the bottom. If you're getting these wrong, check your slope. If you flip that, it's a totally different answer. So 1 over 2 cannot be 2 over 1. So like I said, if you're getting them wrong, check that your slope is written in the right order. So now I'm going to fill in my equation. Y equals 1/2 x. B is 8. So y equals 1/2 x plus 8. When you go to type that in, if you use the slash, that turns it right into an equation, or a fraction, and then make sure you hit the right arrow to put the x plus 8. And is that correct? Yes. Okay, so far I've been able to write an equation